Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. I want to share something with you guys. I was out and I was looking at tripods not too long ago. It's unbelievable. If you want to pay $75 to $300, $400, $500 for a good tripod, go for it. I'm not going to do it. If you want to DIY, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my tripod. Didn't cost me a thing. You take a chainsaw, because I got a 4x6 pole in the barn. So with the chainsaw, I cut off a block and I drilled a 1-inch hole through it for my selfie stick to fit in there. All my videos are done on a cell phone. I got a large cell phone. So make your own free tripod. It's not solar, but that's the tripod to view all my solar panels, and it is a DIY channel anyway. I still haven't fixed that wind generator. It's still making electricity. My electric bill came in, it's $50 for the month. Pretty dang good for the month of December. It's beautiful. It's awesome. All right. Thank you and have a nice sunny day.